Don't say nothing hard. Okay, guys, today we're gonna be showing you our glitter slime. It's Glitter Galaxy slime, and it has sparkles in it, but you might can't see it that much. So, we're about to change the color. So, comment on this video and tell me what color you think this should be. And I'm giving you guys 12 seconds to comment, subscribe, and like this video. Whoever does it first gets a shout out and gets a DM, and they will get a special gift. It either might be a hoverboard or an iPhone, but for right now, I'm not giving it to y'all. And sometime I'm gonna do my next video is gonna be like the bomb, because we're gonna do like some pranks. Let me get the food coloring. Arby, stay right there.
It's getting closer to us.
Where?
Right there. Look, he's...
Yeah, I know.
Let's do it.
Just talk to them. Keep them company.
So we saw us making some, but it's still sticky.
It's a little bit sticky. Tell them we have to add some more glue.
I'm gonna get some glue. So, but we coloring. So we got the coloring. All that stuff. Let's go put that in. I'm gonna put it in. So we're gonna make yellow instead.
No, we're not.
But
we're gonna make a darker green.
We're gonna make a darker green. Darker. But it's gonna be the green.
It's gonna be a little messy, you guys.
It's gonna be a little messy.
It's gonna be
it's gonna be a little messy.
Oh my god, I think we're in trouble. Arby, you're in trouble. You're in trouble, Arby. Go get the container. Hurry up, baby Dirk. No, I'll go get it.
We in big trouble? You gonna tell?
No. I just had to clean it. Okay.
So we won't be in big trouble?
Give me this. Baby Dirk, you're not even doing nothing. Okay. Okay, we're not in trouble anymore. Okay.
Not in
That's
trouble
good.
anymore?
Nope.
Okay, so
Because I cleaned it up.
we cleaned it up.
But we got food coming on the state calendar. But we were about to be in trouble. But I cleaned it up, so.
There you go. There's no yellow in there.
There's no more yellow. We used all of it because earlier we made a gold slime, but we didn't post it.
Yeah, but we got a little
I was going to, but my phone was dead. Because I have an iPhone, and my phone was dead.
No.
So I just had to put it on my phone charger. So we didn't get to post the gold one, but maybe like after this video, maybe we'll post
Inside.
Arby.
What?
Now we're about to add some more glitter. Okay, guys, when this video is over, I'm gonna tell you a few things to get you a dude and a shout out. But right now, we're just gonna work on doing this.
Don't eat that.
Why would I eat it already?
So I'm gonna just.
Arby, shh. Baby Dirk is right. You need to be quiet. But we kind of just made like a silver. So we just put some silver glitter. I mean, it's like light blue glitter, but it looks like silver from when you look at it.
Yeah.
Baby Dirk.
Baby Dirk.
You're making me mad.
Yeah, you making her mad. This makes myself mad.
You about to get off the video, so be quiet.
And it's me and you, right?
Yeah. Baby Dirk, bye. Go play.
Go play, Dirk. Go play. Stop pushing. You won't go play. Cause stop pushing again. Stop pushing again.
Sorry, guys. I used my teeth. Kind of weird, but
This is kind of weird.
I just had to because I couldn't find no scissors because my little sister, she keep touching them, so my mom hides them from her. So I don't know. So I couldn't find them because my mom keeps hiding them from my little sister.
So it's me and you.
So
He just keep ruining the video, right?
he ruining it.
Yeah, he ruined it.
Oh, but right now, guys. Okay, unfortunately, we have this glitter.
Bye-bye.
We put the glitter in
Bye-bye.
there. Then we're gonna do the little plucking, and
So
then
I need to
we're gonna do
remember
that.
Okay.
This is a giant slime. It doesn't look that big because of my camera, but it's giant. Look at this.
I heard. Oh, you need this?
Look at this.
Ooh. Slimy.
It's very a little bit sticky, but we're just gonna add like some more shaving cream and some more water, so it won't be that sticky. Oh yeah. By the way, guys,
We got two.
I forgot to tell you, you have to add 1 tablespoon of water, and you have to add like this big. It has to be this big cup of dish detergent. You have to put all your glue bottle if you want a big one. Okay.
It's Superman.
No, it's not. That's Flash. You have to put all, and then you have to like use how much shaving cream you want and how fluffy you want. So I don't know how fluffy you guys want it, so I can't tell you how much to use. But I just use like 18 cups of this of shaving cream. 18 cups. I put the shaving cream in here. I use like 18 cups. I use 18 cups fill of it. But you don't have to use that much. I just wanted mine to look nice and big and be nice and fluffy because like I have a lot of fans on like IG. I have a lot of fans. And I have a lot of IGs. I have a lot of fans,
But that's still my brother.
he's so.
He's so.
That's both our brothers. He is very annoying. Very annoying. When I say very annoying, I mean very annoying. He doesn't even let you he doesn't let you go to sleep in peace. He wakes you up in the middle of the night. And he won't leave you alone, ever. Never ever. You have to force him to let you go. You had to force him to leave you alone.
Yes.
Like, you had to go tell your mom for him to leave you alone. Because he's annoying. Dirk!
He's annoying. But instead, we got the whole slime. And we get
Some
sugar.
sugar.
You need it over here? You need that sugar over here?
Yeah.
You want me to put it over here?
No. We're just gonna make some crunchy slime. This is gonna be crunchy slime.
But it's gonna be a little crunchy slime. And we have the potato slime. And apple one.
We have what?
I meant the tater slime.
The tater slime?
Yeah.
We don't have tater slime. Wait, did y'all make slime when I wasn't home?
Yeah.
Aubrey, did y'all make slime when I wasn't home?
Okay, so Batman and
Aubrey! Aubrey! They commented on our video. So I just made like it look like it's a little bit crunchy now. So basically we have crunchy slime.
And
We don't really have nobody commented. I just wanted you to comment.
we are not. Hold up.
But
1 minute.
I'm sorry I took so long with this video, but if you guys like this video, hurry up and comment and subscribe. You'll get a shout out or DM wherever you want. Just comment whatever you want. It just can't be nothing too high or too expensive. But a hoverboard, y'all might get it because I have a hoverboard, but I don't ride it. So, yeah.
Bye. Joker coming.
Come on, say bye.
Bye.
We'll see you in the next video. Give us a shout out,